Hello everybody, in this video we'll give you a tour of our Oceanview Stateroom cabin from our New Year's 2022 cruise aboard the Holland America Nieuw Statendam. This particular window stateroom is a Category C located on Deck 1 midship, and the cabin number is 1130. Throughout the tour we'll show you the things we like and dislike about the cabin. We'll also show you the views we saw from the stateroom window during our 7-day Western Caribbean cruise. Check it out and afterwards let us know what you think with a comment, and give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Thanks! Restroom. Slow close. Push. Shampoo, conditioner. Fridge. So we have a little mini bar here. The thermostat.
A little knife thing.
Oh, okay. They give you a little multi-tool.
Multi-tool. Well, it's mainly for like wine and for beer. This little knife here.
Fend off pirates.
Just
Oh, look, there's a speaker phone. Very nice. Nice. Turn the lights. TV. Okay. Sofa bed. Couple life jackets. Oh, they give you a lot of mass. That's nice. There's a USB plug, and then a US and a European plug, and then a US plug. 3-prong. Oh, some more here. Turn on this light. Makeup mirror, hair dryer.
it nice. They give you a pen and a notebook.
I like how they divide up the trash can. Paper only and general waste. Oh, an adjoining room. They have a USB plug right here too, next to the bed.
Try that.
So whatever you could fit in that is $20.
Yep.
It's the ocean view window. Wow, it's very clean. This is like the cleanest ocean view window ever.
Oh yeah.
And that was our New Statendam Oceanview cabin tour. Shout out to our room steward team of Shri and Ichsan, who did a great job keeping our stateroom clean. So what did you think of the room? We'd love to hear your comments, and please remember to give the video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon in another video.